And at bat, it's the big O, baby. What's going on, YouTube family and friends? The short sale data is in, and in this video, I'm going to give you a better detailed insight on whether these three stocks will see a short cover here on Tuesday's trading. But before we do so, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted TNXP for the entry price of 23 cents, with that price target being 26 cents plus back on December 13th, Friday, and today we updated that price target here with a new one being at 37 cents here, alerted that 9:07 a.m. And if we take a brief look and check out TNXP since that alert, the stock has seen a high of 73 cents again, ladies and gentlemen. Just a 1 day ago, it was at 23 cents from our alert entry, and that is what you call a home run play. And you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click the Discord link, and let the gains begin. But not only will you get my alerts in real time, you will get the entire Making Easy Money in-house analyst alerts as well. Also, you will be able to communicate and share ideas with the entire Making Easy Money trading community. Very active community during trading hours and after trading hours. So guys, if you do want to be a part of this Discord, just hit the link in the description below. But no further ado, let's dive right in, guys. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is QBTS. If you're holding this stock, can you please comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below? So far in the last video, it looks as though that the majority of the audience is holding QUBT. So that's very interesting. So let's see if that is just a flukes or can that maintain here in today's video. But as you guys can see here, high total short volume thanks to the extremely high total trading volume coming in at 163 million. Taking in consideration just yesterday on a big breakout day was 81 million. Over double previous day trading. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, today's aftermarket price action sets QBTS in a likelihood to have a short cover. But before we go into a little bit more detail on that, if we take a brief look and check out QUBT here really quickly, the price action on QUBT is calling for a more likelihood for a short cover to take place. But the difference here is the total short count here. As you guys can see here, total short volume, 14 million shares was sold short here. In case you were wondering what trading platform I am using, it is called Moomoo. If you do want to sign up for Moomoo, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone these perks you see here on the screen. All you have to do is make your initial deposit of only $100. But not only will you get 15 free stocks, but for those that don't know how to read indicators or charts, don't worry, Moomoo have you covered with the interpretations of indicators chart. This easy to use tool makes it very simple on understanding whether a stock is bearish or bullish. And you will also see me refer to this chart quite often in my videos. So again, using my sign up link while signing up for Moomoo, you get a lot to gain and nothing to lose. Aggressive short sale ratio 12%, but if we go to QBTS here really quickly, as you guys can see here, much higher total short volume, okay? 19 million shares were sold short here in QBTS, and that short sale ratio isn't far off from QUBT's. But if we go take a brief look and check out RGTI here really quickly, as you guys can see here, much lower on the total short volume, and that short ratio coming in at 11, the low 11 percentiles. And if we look at that capital trend here, we do see net inflow in favorment overall here on 52 million in favorment here on QUBT here really quickly. It's much higher in comparison to the days before, but not as high as what we see there in RGTI. And far as QBTS situation goes, we do see stacked gradual gain here in net inflow and favorment. Not only that, the short position stacked here in QBTS is very nicely. The only thing that comes with this thing currently, guys, is the PCD is extremely high. Right now, we do see a profit ratio of 91%. And far as QUBT's profit ratio is at 66%. Sorry about that. We're currently here at 55% on. No, sorry, I'm reading the wrong thing. I'm reading a degree overlap. Sorry about that, guys. The profit ratio here in QUBTs is at 96%, also extremely high. And RGTI, all three stocks, is currently at a risk of buying high. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we do expect retracement here pretty soon. But with QUBT's price action, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that this thing stands a great chance to see a short cover situation amongst the other two. If we take a brief look and check out the capital trend, we do see that massive inflow and favorment, but we do not see stacked like we do see in the other two. Stacked in net inflow and favorment just points to more covering going on the previous on that trading day. And anytime that you can tend to see stacked net inflow and favorment, ladies and gentlemen, it's more than likely we're going to see that short cover close out and the ball becomes in short's favor. But in this case, likelihood of QUBT short cover happening, ladies and gentlemen, is likely high. QBTS is fairly high due to that extremely high total short volume. But if we go to that that aftermarket price action isn't calling for it just yet, but if QBTS do see the adequate buying pressure here in the pre-market hours here tomorrow, that likelihood of a short cover jumps drastically. In fact, that's the only thing that isn't adding up just yet, but the total short volume is there, backed by that. The only other thing that I don't like here is that stacked net inflow and favorment, which points to more covering going on here than shorting on the day. But like I said before, the reason why that we do have a high total short volume is due to the drastic jump in price, which offers a great shorting opportunity for shorts. It's just like a great dip buying opportunity for longs. With that being said, we do see a short reaction coming off of today's short cover wave, which can ultimately put QBTS in its own swing cycle. But we do expect for this thing to retrace here pretty darn soon, ladies and gentlemen, back down towards those mid $6 levels. And far as RGTI's short cover situation, it is likely to happen, but not as high as QBTS or QUBT. I do feel as though that RGTI stands the least likely chance to see a short cover here on Tuesday's trading. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already, make sure you get over to the Discord server so you will not miss out on tomorrow's alerts. And don't forget, I will be going live Friday, 8:15 a.m. Central Time, which is 15 minutes before the market open. And just to let you guys know, Friday is always my best trading day. So see you there, and may the gains be with you. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord. The sign up link is in the description below.